I am with Anthony. We're at the Perfectionist. He does ceramic coating and PPF protection. The guy's amazing. I am dropping off this splitter to be put on the C8 Corvette. He's going to put some PPF on it, ceramic it, do everything to make it protected, because that's the one part that's going to take a beating. This guy works on Hellcats, works on Ferraris, works on everything. McLaren. This guy's amazing. This is Anthony. Anthony's the one that did my ceramic and PPF on the vet, did an amazing job. If you're in South Florida and you need PPF or ceramic, this is the guy. He is a perfectionist. That's why the name of his company is The Perfectionist. Worth every penny, worth the drive. He's amazing. All right, guys, so I got the splitter back. Anthony over at The Perfectionist put some PPF on it just to protect it because it's the carbon flash metallic. It looks great. Everything's good. It's going to cure a little bit more as far as the PPF goes. A lot of fingerprints on it, so yeah, it looks dirty. I bolted it together. It's a two-piece system right here. There are two screws or bolts and nuts to hold this together here. It probably can be done once it's on the car. I actually did it right now. I may take it off to see, or actually depending on how hard it is to do. Car is quick jacked up, and we're getting ready to take off the old splitter and put on this one from EOS. All right, so we're getting ready to take off. There's about, I think, 18 or 15 T15 screws that are holding that front lip in place. I'm gonna take them off now. So as you can see, I have off the original splitter. A little dirty under there. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. It does say to use the 3M double-sided tape. Also, a little pro tip, while I was taking it off with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, I guess 21 of these screws, I left this one and this one a little bit loose until I was ready to get the whole thing off, so it didn't just dangle at the end by the last bolt. Kept it there, and then at the very end took one of those last two off. Came off real easy, and we're getting ready to put on the new one. Okay, we're about to put on this double-sided tape, and here we go. There with the tape and a couple screws. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of them in. All right, guys, so here's what everybody fears at the end of a job, is finding one screw or nut that didn't go back in. However, the splitter has one in the middle that can't be reached. So on the OEM splitter, this hole right here doesn't go in because there's actually the seam, and that's where they come together, and you can't put a screw there. So that's why there's an extra one. So if you get upset, don't. All right, so there you have it. There's the 5M EOS Extreme Online Store in carbon flash metallic. One of the easiest installs to do. It's really just 21 from the OEM and 20 with this. T15 screws put back on, and I gotta say, it gives a really nice effect. It's gonna create supposedly a little bit of downforce. I may put some canards on or some dive planes on here at some point, but for now, that's really just a sharp look. It looks really nice. Next thing is going to be those side skirts. Those are going under next. We'll be doing that on another video. Stay tuned for that. So that's what she looks like. I gotta say, pretty damn sweet. By the way, total time for install on that was probably about a half hour. And that's because I can't stand getting that the 3M protection tape off. For whatever reason, that just seems to take me a while. I did take my sweet time. I'm not in any rush with this. I did it in time lapse for you guys. You could probably do the whole thing in 15 minutes if you're really trying to hurry. It took me about, 35 minutes or so. Plus I cleaned things up a little bit so you get the car up in the air. Not long at all. Very easy install. Highly recommended. And as of right now, if you guys want, I have an OEM Z51 splitter. Nah, I'm not going to sell it. But if somebody wanted to offer me an exorbitant amount of money for it, maybe that could be yours. But for now, I'll just stick with this. Like, share, and subscribe. Helps the algorithm. Helps you. Helps me.